Hello and welcome to Habano News. Today I'm going to talk to you about a $5 Cuban Robusto, a an amazing price. I found this in one of my favorite shops here in Geneva, and I wanted to talk to you about it at a time where cigar prices have risen a lot. I thought it would be interesting to have a look at this cigar. So the brand is La Flor de Cano. It's not a brand that is well known. It's actually a bit boring. It's a medium strength brand created in 1884, and they only have two cigars left in the standard productions. And so far, they made seven regional editions. So it's a brand that not many people know, not distributed everywhere. And what is interesting, two particularities: the price is low, and this tobacco inside is not the traditional long leaves that you have in the other brands, but mainly it is only short fillers, meaning short cuts of tobacco, the leftovers. So I thought I'd try that and have a look and see what it tastes like, especially at that price. Can be a good cigar if it's good, obviously. So this is the box with a Swiss quality stamp, and the price here 47 Swiss francs, about $50 for the box of 10. So I'm gonna open it for you. What I can say about La Flor de Cano, it was created in 1884, and they were progressively they weren't making many cigars, and then in 2002 they launched the Petit Coronas, and in 2020 they launched this Elegidos. So here you have the Intertabac Swiss quality control, and look at this, a beautiful cigar. So this is a Lirios. A Lirios is just like a Robusto with 3 millimeters in more in length. So a Robusto is 50 by 124, 12.4 centimeters. This is 50 ring size by 127. So it's just slightly bigger than a Robusto. So I am going to try this, and I'm going to tell you what it tastes like. La Flor de Cano, unfortunately, is not a brand that people talk about. We never know. I don't really know why they use short fillers and they don't use long filler. For example, Vegueros, which is a volume brand and not actually in these other brands. Vegueros, as a volume brand, is actually using um, long fillers, uh, big leaves. So it's very surprise. It's surprising. I don't have a explanation for that. So let's light this up and let's try this cigar. I also purchased another cigar from another brand that I'm going to taste. I'm gonna make another video of it. Here it is. So well, to me this is not medium strength, but it is a strong cigar. For me, it tastes a bit like Jose Alpiedra, the volume brand that is using short fillers. It is a strong cigar. I mean, this if this is medium, I don't know what a strong cigar is like, but I must say, not bad at all. Not bad. So if you find this box, I mean, they're selling it in Geneva. I'm gonna put a link to the shops. I mean, the shop where they're selling it, and I think it's a good cigar. I mean, it's very earthy. It's like Vegueros, Jose El Piedra style, um, strong cigars. Yeah, definitely Cuban tobacco taste. I like it. I like it. Not a morning cigar though. Do not drink. Do not smoke this in the morning. But I mean, it's not as delicate as a Trinidad or a Coiba or even Joya de Monterrey Chapman. No. No, it's not delicate. I mean, this is a tough, strong cigar. It's something that you smoke when you're going hunting, for example. Um, a bit like the Cazadores from Romeo and Julieta. It's a strong cigar. Beastie. I hope you like this video. Here it is. Goodbye.